In 1998, I broke my neck and sustained a spinal cord injury while competing in a high school rodeo. A huge driving force since my accident has been my deep love for the outdoors, which has grown into an obscene obsession of trying to pattern these beautiful animals in hopes of being lucky enough to harvest them, while cherishing the good times with those close to me.
Boom! Deer down.
Whether I'm filming someone else's adventures or in front of the camera myself, I'm just a disabled country boy trying to prove there's life out there. From field to table and everything in between, my name is Andy Bell. These are my stories. Hey guys, thanks for watching another DCB Outdoors video. Today we are going to do another cooking video. We haven't done one in a while. That's why you guys are looking at the Camp Chef smoker pellet grill. And we're going to go ahead, and what we're going to do is we're going to do venison backstrap stuffed steaks with cream cheese, jalapeños, wrapped in bacon and smothered in barbecue sauce. So we're going to go ahead and start the grill and get that fired up. And then we've got it set at 225. Probably going to cook those for 3 to 4 hours. We'll just keep checking on them. And in there we have some original smoked pellets, and then we also have cherry pellets. So we're going to go ahead and take inside. We've got some bacon going that we've cooked a little bit so that it's not undercooked. So we're going to roll in here. Nana's been cooking the bacon a little bit now for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side at the most. And there's the bacon. We're going to take and wrap those. We've already got our jalapenos, cream cheese, and we've also marinated the deer steaks in, what was that? Yeah, mesquite lime. They've been marinating for about 24 hours. So we're going to go ahead and build those now. Add the freshly chopped jalapenos to the cream cheese. And it's been sitting out at room temperature. It's got a little bit of a rub that we used on chicken.
And some shredded cheese.
And some shredded cheese as well.
It makes really good stuffed jalapenos.
It does. We did stuffed jalapeno poppers with it, and that turned out really excellent, didn't they? Now we're getting to the good stuff. Marinated backstrap, butterfly the steaks. I'm going to go ahead and stuff those.
Yeah? Is that okay with you?
Yeah. We've also had some toothpicks soaking cold water for about 45 minutes. So don't end up burning up the toothpicks. Anna threw together some butter with some basil, minced garlic, and the Paragold butter, and she's gonna
And some Italian herb seasoning.
She's gonna go ahead and explain that, but this is the mixture that we have, and
So
that is
like.
gonna go on corn wrapped in tin foil, and we're also gonna throw that on the pellet grill.
So you use, when making your own butters, whether it's a savory or a sweet butter, you always want to use either an Irish butter or a European butter because they have less water content. Also when frying with butter, because that way the water is what causes stuff to burn. So the less water there is in the butter, the better quality it is. Therefore, using the Kerrygold Irish butter, it's one of my favorites to use. Get it at Costco, a lot cheaper than Walmart or Smith's or anywhere else. And like Andy said, we're gonna put it on corn cobs tonight, wrap them in tin foil, put them on the grill as well. And then otherwise, you can take just like a small spoonful of the butter and put it on a steak. It actually just adds unbelievable flavor. You would not believe what putting butter on steak can do. It's amazing. I'm 240 right now, kind of climbing back and forth just with the wind and everything that's out here.
And we've got our extra bacon put on there and our marinade. We're getting ready to throw these on. Can already smell the cherry pellets. That is good stuff. Okay, so we got our butter on our corn, and we actually took on one of them, we took and did the leftover cream cheese with the jalapeños and added that with the butter. And our steaks here, corn's going on. It is pouring cats and dogs out here, as you can see. We're going to go ahead and check this. Register the meat thermometer. And plug it in. What do we got?
143.
143. We're back in this adventure of the venison backstrap steaks that we have stuffed. And one thing that we forgot after we cut the video was we forgot the pepper jack cheese on top, and the bacon fell apart a little bit, but this is the way they turned out. We're gonna let them cool while the corn finishes cooking, and then we're gonna plate all this good stuff up. We just finished up letting the meat cool for a little bit longer than 5 minutes because the corn took a little bit longer. Now it is time to dig in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get our fork here. And get a little bite of everything here. Get some cheese. Bacon. First we gotta get the filling too of the cream cheese.
Am I fired?
No, you're not. Turned out excellent. So if you guys would like to see more recipes like this, just keep tuning into our YouTube channel. Kind of running out of deer from last season. Good eats, good night.